Hello guys, I am making this video about a lump that I had in my breast and found months ago actually, and it's been gone for quite some time now, for maybe 4 or 5 months now, I guess. I'm not sure exactly. Now listen, we found this last Christmas around there time. It was very scary. And I know some other women out there going through a similar thing that's very scary. But I want to let you know that I have disappeared mine naturally. I just wanted to make this video to share with anybody else that is interested to find out what I did to make mine disappear naturally without a doctor. And for myself, I used cayenne powder, and I got a piece of plastic wrap, and I laid that down on the counter. I cut it and I laid it on the counter, and I cut a piece of cloth and put it on top of that plastic wrap. And then I got some castor oil, and then I put that on, dabbed dots of that onto that cloth, and then I sprinkled cayenne powder onto that to make a compress. And then I put that on my breast where the lump was, and I wrapped that, and I wrapped myself with that and slept with that and the side of my bra on every night for months. And I actually ended up using, after some time, the idea came to me to get some garlic and chop it up very finely and add it to what I was doing. And I did notice that in the morning those were really hard for a while, and so I threw them out, of course. And actually over time they started to not be hard anymore. When I was waking up they were still soft. So the lump was getting smaller, and I noticed that for myself over time. It must have been about 4 months, 6 months, well, probably about 6 months that I had this. And I haven't come out and said anything about it at all to any of you because really haven't felt compelled, to be honest with you. But for some reason, I felt compelled to come and make a video about this. I realize that it's not the very best of quality. My hair is not the best, everything's not the best, but I don't care. My message is my honest, heartfelt message of my own experience with this, and to hopefully help someone else out there if you're going through something similar. I personally wanted to share. I did a lot of research when I was going through this. I say we because I involve Code. I love him with all I got, and he's been a part of this as far as knowing what's going on and what I've been doing, what I did. So I just felt compelled to come and share. So I'm a big fan of natural routes. If those will work for you, cool. I'm just sharing my own story, what's worked for me, what I did. I also found a woman here on YouTube named Dr. Barbara O'Neill. I'll leave her channel link in the description of this video, so go on ahead and check her out if you're interested. She's got a lot of different other cool natural remedies and ideas and things for you as well, so she's not the only one that I got this information from, but she is one of the women out here, or people out here, that have information on this particular topic and other similar natural remedy topics for you folks. Anyhow, I just wanted to send some encouragement out to anyone out there that happens to be going through this issue. It could be the dreaded C word, and I didn't want to say that word, so I won't, but I just want to say for you, whoever you are, if you're listening and you are going through that and you're scared, this is what I did, and it worked for me. If you can be patient with it and give it a fair try, see if it works for you as well. This is just my own personal experience, so I'm not really sure what else to say. If you guys have any questions, or if you've tried any of these things yourself and found it worked for you, let me know in the comments. I love natural remedies and cures and things like this, so if you found anything that worked for you, this is not medical advice. I just feel compelled to say that. Obviously it's not. It's just me telling you my own personal story, what I've gone through in my own body and my own life. And I love you guys so very much, and I felt compelled to be very vulnerable and open up and just make a very raw video for you right now and share it to you. And hopefully this is going to touch someone's heart. Maybe you'll learn something. Maybe you'll try something. There's other uses for castor oil as well, by the way. So if I began to put a drop in my belly button every night for a while until we ran out and didn't have the money to buy anymore, and that's fine. But castor oil is made out of a bean, castor oil bean. It's really, really good for you. So that has a lot of health benefits as well. I'll attach those to this video in the description section, what those are, because I don't remember all of them at the moment, but I do know one of them is anti-inflammatory for myself. I found relief in that. So look into castor oil as well as cayenne. Those two things right there, I'd like to suggest you just do a little research on them yourself and find out their benefits. And I will leave you with my love, and thank you very kindly for watching this. I hope you would push the like. That'd be very kind. And if you're new here, please do subscribe and check out my music, because I do make music. And I hope you'd find some music that you really love and gives you some big smiles as well. Anyways, God bless you and keep you. Thank you with all my heart for your time and your love and your support. If you'd like to support me in any further ways, I do got a Cash App and a Buy Me a Coffee. That's all I got. But I got all my love for you. So thank you so much. Have a beautiful, blessed rest of your day or night wherever you're at. And look into the natural ways, because you might be very surprised to find that there might be a natural way for you to do something that would actually work for you. Possibly. So learning is good, so learn today. I love you guys. Thank you so much.